Good morning, everybody. Today we're going to go over how easy it is to add ballast to your tires. We're working on Branson 2515H this morning, and we're going to ballast with water. So I'm in North Florida. We rarely get below freezing. When we do, it doesn't last long, so we're safe with water here. All you need is this Milton adapter. I ordered it off Amazon. There's the part number, and we'll show you how easy it is. Begin by jacking up, taking a little weight off so you don't break your bead. And with that adapter, you can remove your valve stem cap, and I'll need pliers for the second one. Back with a set of pliers. There we go. When you take this out, you'll lose all your air. It's a little harder with the valve stem guards on these tractors, but they are worth it. Once the adapter is screwed on, just connect your garden hose. And when you turn it on, the air inside will have to be displaced. So you just press that button. And you have the water running. You can hear it going inside the tire. This should help. These little tractors have a pretty amazing lift capacity. 2,200 pounds at the bucket. Or at the pins. So when you're adding the water, you can hear it bubbling, gurgling inside. When you quit hearing that, you know it's about full and you can try it. What I did was every 4 or 5 minutes, I would turn the water off, press this button, release the air. When you get to a point when you press the button and you get water and no air, you're about where you want to be. At valve stem at the 12 o'clock position gives you about a 75% fill rate. So at this point, you just put your valve stem back in. Let the water get down to the overflow mark. Air it up. These tires call for 30 pounds. And then we'll try it out. Once you have your tire full and drained back down to the overflow, you can add your air. We'll run 30 psi. Complete the other side and we'll be done. We'll give it a try. After getting a few scoops of dirt, you could definitely feel the difference between the lift of the rear of the tractor that I was experiencing yesterday and today. That water made a big difference. Had I had a bush hog or a box blade or something, it would have been even better, but it doesn't bounce the rear tires down with a full load of dirt like it was doing.